about truck stop and rest areas on interstates in the USA. Hey there, folks. Welcome to our little tour of the truck stop and rest area. Interstate experience in the USA. We're going to take you on a journey through the highways and byways where you'll get a glimpse into the lives of the truckers who keep our country moving. First up, we have the iconic truck stop. These are the lifeblood of the American road system, where truckers can rest, refuel, and recharge. You'll often find a wide range of amenities here, from fast food joints to trucker-friendly diners. It's a place where the truckers can unwind and catch a quick nap before hitting the road again. Now, let's move on to the rest areas. These are the pit stops along the interstate, where travelers of all kinds can take a break. You'll find restrooms, picnic tables, and sometimes even a small visitor center. It's a place where you can stretch your legs, grab a bite to eat, and take a moment to appreciate the beauty of the open road. But let's not forget about the truckers. These are the unsung heroes of the American road system, and the rest areas are their sanctuaries. It's a place where they can take a quick nap, grab a bite to eat, and catch up on some rest before hitting the road again. Now, let's talk about the truck stops. These are the lifelines of the trucking industry, where truckers can refuel, restock, and even grab a bite to eat. It's a place where they can catch up on some sleep, and sometimes even get a shower. It's a place where they can unwind and recharge before hitting the road again. And last but not least, let's talk about the truck stops. These are the lifelines of the trucking industry, where truckers can refuel, restock, and even grab a bite to eat. It's a place where they can catch up on some sleep, and sometimes even get a shower. It's a place where they can unwind and recharge before hitting the road again. So there you have it, folks. A quick tour of the truck stop and rest area. Interstate experience in the USA. Thanks for joining us on this journey. And remember, the next time you're on the road, take a moment to appreciate the hard work and dedication of our truckers. They keep our country moving, and we're all grateful for their efforts. That's all for today, folks. If you enjoyed this little tour, please give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to follow and subscribe for more exciting content. Until next time, safe travels.